Oh, baby. Ooh, Bratz. The melt. Up and back that way. Cool, got it. Okay. How stinking cute. So I'm ready to put on this 30-inch. Y'all, this is actually my first 30-inch wig, believe it or not. And full lace at the top. See here, my knots are not bleached. You see those little black dots, which means we need to go ahead and take care of that. The roots look so good. The only thing, so like some of the parts on the side, it actually seep through, but that's fine because if you know, over bleached knots give you more of like that scalp look. And plus I'll just go in with my black color corrector to define my parts. All right, I am so ready for this wig. And oh, and this is pretty large. So if you got a big head, baby, this one for you. I feel like the middle need to be right here, but the sides are up so far. She a little funky. Erica J, hold me down, lace adhesive. Yes, this my girl. She works. But this, it's gonna give me that melt every time. It's the fact that it really smells like watermelon. Like a wig installation is not a one size fits all. It depends on the wig you have, it depends on the glue you have, it depends on your head. So I will go ahead and add my cream foundation just to the edges of the lace. I'm not trying to get it like in my parting space. I just want the edges. Some glue you have to lay it down when it turns clear, and some you can lay it down when it's white, like, you know, just tacky. For me, this works when I lay it down tacky instead of letting it dry clear. Okay, so you see the sides are coming all the way up here. My hairline all the way back here. So let's just zigzag it back. My over bleached knots are coming through. And I'm just nipping at it so it's not like a straight cut. This wig was just too large for my head. Something to like pull it down. Alright, the last thing I'm going to do is pull my edges out where I will have baby hair. And I'm sure I won't use all of this hair that I'm pulling out, but I'd rather pull out more than what I need. Going with a little cream foundation. Okay, this is really stretchy and really soft, so I know I'm going to be able to sleep in this tonight. And I'm gonna just cut this out my way. This hair, so gorgeous though. I'm going to go ahead and prep my hair for tomorrow. The swoop in like 4 Bantu knots. My hair has been wrapped for about 6 hours. Ooh, itchy, 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 oochie, oochie, coochie, ya. Clearly I'm sleeping. But you see the melt? This looks spacious right here, but I like it. It's giving natural. Okay, so hers really isn't a swoop. It's more of a straight part. Don't worry about that. We're going to fix that. Okay, after studying this picture for 10 minutes, I figured out that her part is coming that way at an angle. So at first I hit it this way. Wrong. Cool, got it. Okay, that's why I got it coming up and back that way. She got 1 Bantu knot coming down here. Trust the process. We're trusting the process together. And remember, I'm doing my edges extra because I want them really fluffy, okay? And this is what you have to do, is mold them down. I'm going for extra fluffy. So let me go ahead and tie it down for the night. Extra mousse to sleek everything down. And know that this is mousse without alcohol-free mousse. That's why I'm able to put it all over my lace like this. Night. Good morning. So I'm ready to do my makeup, but before I do, let's check out my hair. Ooh. perfect. So let me detangle my hair before I even start my makeup so that my curls will be popping by the time I do my hair. And I have sunscreen on, that's why I'm looking so ghostly. This hair get big. Let me go ahead and define my curls. This is just water. Okay, now just let this air dry. Onto the makeup. Okay, finally time for my hair. I spent about 3 hours on my makeup, but I was really taking my time and trying to figure things out. Should I go ahead and put on my shirt? Yeah. This is so cute. Okay, hair. Hair, Tarika, hair. Wax stick, ponytail. Okay. Maybe I should go ahead and define this. Dang, it's 5:30. A little loose. It's really the ends I need. Golden spray. Bantu knot. How stinking cute. Okay, now to correct my parts and get everything together. You see this magic? Over bleach knots where? Scalpiana. Here. Do that look good? Wow. What's next? Gotta hurry up. Okay, do a little swoop-a-doo. So freaking adorbs. Time check. It's 5:50. And I guess I'll just curl the rest. I mean, Tarika, you gonna swoop it, swoop it. Forget this baby hair. Focus on your baby hair. I want this more fluffy. Yeah, fluff, fluff. You too, fluff. 55. 5, 5, 5. I got 5 on it. Wanna put it? All right, I'm happy. Let's do a little rundown. Hair. The edges, they fluffy. They ate. Then the lace. The parts. The knots. The curls. For the girls. The glasses, they eat. Tie the whole look in together. The accessories. Shades. Earrings. Necklaces. Vest. My shirt. My shirt looks so good. You would think I purchased it. I can't wait to paint something else. Skirt. Boots. I'm obsessed. And I smell good because I put on these two. Granted, I was trying to match my outfit, but they smell good together. I smell good, I look good, I feel good. Sheesh. Oh, somebody stop me. Now this is Bratz. The small shades, it's totally giving Bratz vibes. I wanted the pink ones earlier because, I mean, they were pink. But these, I love you, I love